So I'm looking extremely greasy right now, but I decided to play in makeup tonight. These braces are like getting to me. Besides that, so I went with a green eye look, a little green and brown. I tried the new Profusions palette, and yeah, I know me, for the most part, when I get bored or I get sad, I play in makeup, and it's been so long. I was watching one of my first YouTube videos where I did makeup, and I was like, what the hell was I doing? And I know even now, I'm probably gonna look back like in a few months and be like, what was I doing there? But I think I perfected a few different things as good as I can at this point, but this is the look. These lashes, which I don't really think I needed any because y'all know my eyelashes is long, but they're Eye Envy lashes in 151, which I think is beautiful because like they're whimsical, but they're thick, but they're not so, you know, what the hell is that on your eye? So this is the look. I'll post the video in a few seconds.